Hello ladies, we all know how crazy our cravings get before that time of the month and we end up stuffing ourselves with unhealthy foods. So today we are going to make an avocado and chocolate mousse, which is a perfect, tasty and healthy alternative to deal with the symptoms of PMS or premenstrual syndrome. Avocados contain key antioxidants. These help combat free radicals which cause pain and symptoms. Dark chocolate is very rich in magnesium, which helps fight pain as well as satisfy your sweet cravings. Dates are rich in iron and calcium. You will need 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of low-fat milk. Melt the dark chocolate. Now in a blender, add avocados. Add melted chocolate, cocoa powder, dates and milk in the blender. Blend until the mix is creamy, smooth and fluffy. Scoop out the mousse into your favorite glass. Refrigerate. Garnish with toppings of your choice and dig in. So try this at home and let us know how you enjoyed this guilt-free dessert.